You should make sure that each slide in your deck has a unique title. Here in our sample deck, I see that 2 of the slides near the beginning are titled Protecting Students' Privacy. For a screen reader user, duplicate titles present a problem because the student would need to listen to the full content of both slides in order to find the information they're looking for. But really, duplicate slide titles can be a problem for anybody because you really want to know what information is going to be contained on each slide. Some slide designers would solve this problem by simply writing continued at the top of the second slide. This would technically solve the problem of not having duplicate slide titles, yes, but we can still do better and make this deck a better learning resource for our audience. To improve the accessibility of this deck, let's label the information more precisely. On the second slide, I see the words "Do the full privacy tutorial" in this maroon star on the left side of the screen. Given the other content on this slide, I think that that's a more precise title that describes the content of this slide, so I'll replace the current title with "Do the full privacy tutorial." We'll revisit this slide later to address some other problems, but for now I'm scrolling through the rest of this deck and see that the rest of these slides all have unique titles. Good. But what about this slide that says Roadmap? I see that this one uses the title-only layout, which is a good thing, but when I move the map graphic to the side, I see that the content placeholder has been deleted. This means that the word roadmap is in a text box, and text box content is not accessible to screen readers. I could add alt text to this text box and be on my way, but I want to show you how you can get the content placeholders back, even if you've accidentally previously deleted them. To restore the content placeholder for this slide, I'm going to press the Layout Reset button in the Tool ribbon. I could also have just reselected the title-only layout, which would have done the same thing. Now I'll type the word Roadmap into the title placeholder at the top of the slide, style that box with black background and orange text, and move it to the bottom left of the slide so it looks like the designer had it originally. Most of the time, you don't need to sacrifice your design ideas in order to achieve accessibility.